Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If meal prep feels like it eats up way too much of your time, today's video is for you. I'm going to share my top 5 picks for the best vegetable choppers that make cooking faster, easier, and dare I say more enjoyable. I've tested and used each of these, so you'll get the real pros, the cons, and who they're best for. Let's dive in. Number 1, Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. First up, the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. If you've seen it trending on TikTok, it lives up to the hype. This 2-in-1 vegetable chopper and spiralizer features heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades that stay sharp and slice through veggies and fruit like butter. What I love most are the thoughtful touches, a soft grip handle, a non-slip rubber base, and a catch tray that keeps my counters mess-free. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. Pros? Durable blades, ergonomic design, and it's versatile enough for all kinds of meal prep. Cons? It's manual, the white surface can stain, and you'll want to handle the blades with care. Overall, this one's a real kitchen essential. Number 2, OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Next is the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, a compact powerhouse. It's under 9 inches long, so storage is easy, but it really gets the job done. The stainless steel blade rotates smoothly with each pump of the handle, giving you neat, uniform pieces whether it's herbs, nuts, or veggies. The catcher cup with measurement markings is a lifesaver, especially when I'm making salsas or stir-fry. And of course, everything's dishwasher safe. Pros? Compact size, sharp blades, measurement cup, and super easy cleaning. Cons? Limited capacity, and yes, it requires some manual effort. Still, it's a reliable, no-hassle tool for everyday cooking. Number 3, Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer. Number 3 is the Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer, a real multitasker. It combines a vegetable chopper, a mandoline slicer, and a cheese grater all in one. With 6 stainless steel blades, you can dice onions, slice peppers, shred cabbage, or grate cheese quickly. I especially appreciate the included container that keeps countertops clean, plus the food holder that keeps fingers safe. Cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe and comes with a scrubbing fork. Pros? Versatile, durable blades save time, and they're safe. Cons? Manual effort is required, and the blades need careful handling. This one's perfect if you want one tool that can handle multiple tasks. Number 4, Cuisinart Chopper. At number 4, the Cuisinart Chopper, CTG00SCHP. This is the definition of simple and effective. It's under 10 inches tall, which makes it compact and easy to store. The push-down handle makes chopping nuts, cheese, or veggies quick and efficient. I use it most when I don't want to drag out my big food processor. Cleanup is easy too. The blades and stainless steel housing are dishwasher safe. Pros? Space saving, durable stainless steel, push-down operation, and easy cleaning. Cons? Not for heavy-duty chopping and, again, manual. It's great for small, everyday prep tasks. Number 5, VEVOR Commercial Vegetable Chopper. Finally, the VEVOR Commercial Vegetable Chopper. This one's a beast. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel and aluminum, it feels sturdy right out of the box. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades perfect for French fries, diced veggies, or fruit slices. The ergonomic handle makes chopping surprisingly easy, and non-slip feet keep it steady on your counter. Cleaning is simple since the blades and push block are removable. I've used it for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, even apples, and the cuts are consistently uniform. Pros? Heavy-duty build, multiple blade options, ergonomic design, and easy cleaning. Cons? It's heavy at around 9 pounds, takes counter space, and needs hand washing. But if you cook in bulk whether at home or in a restaurant, this is a serious time saver. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best vegetable choppers. From compact tools for quick daily meals to heavy-duty choppers for bulk cooking, there's something here for everyone. If you found this roundup helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen tips and product reviews, and let me know in the comments which chopper would you pick for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!